All right, our next gadget here on Gadget Corner.
Is a car safety device known as the snooze no more.
That's right. Stick this little in your ear like this, adjust it for your level, and when you're driving, you won't go to sleep. It's also good when Agnes stops by to talk about her operation, huh? Was it painful? Mm. You save it in the stones?
All right, next up on our...
And they put it back in.
All right, I'm sure you'll like our next...
Spiders! Spiders!
Shut the fuck up!
Hey, good job, Dad.
Thank you, son.
Timmy Hanna!
Heidi?
Yeah.
All right. A little nervous? Use a little trick I use to calm myself down. Just picture everybody naked.
Why was he saying that?
Does everybody know what time it is? No! That's right. Now here he is, the star of the show, Tim.
Welcome to Tool Time. I am and we have a special treat for you today. Al's not here. Hey, Kyle, sit back down. I have a special guest assistant for you. I want you to give a big, warm Tool Time welcome to my oldest boy, Brad, the Tool Boy Taylor. Well, it's crap week here on Tool Time, and we're doing our salute
Heil Hitler.
to scroll saws. That's right, we're going to show you how to use a Binford 6100 scroll saw. Now, Brad, why don't you tell us what a scroll saw can do?
It's used for cutting out intricate patterns in wood.
Right? You can also cut out intricate patterns in coat racks, hat racks, pipe racks, coat racks, pipe racks, hat racks, coat racks.
Rack City, bitch. Rack City.
Or Tyrannosaurus racks. What manly design are you cutting out today?
A heart for my girlfriend, Ashley. Here you go, Brad. Thank you, Thady.
Oh, I don't care if she's 20. Hell, I'd fuck her. You can't say you wouldn't fuck her. Maybe that's what I'll do when they find her. I'll go and fuck her. Fuck her right in her pussy.
Sorry, Dad.
Goggles.